Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my sari organza fabric, and this we will be dyeing, and in this pattern I am folding it. As you can see, this is the easiest pattern as the sari is quite long and we have to choose a easy pattern. So in this manner I have folded it, and now we can tie it with a rubber band, and then this I am using a tie and dye thread to create the pattern, and we will be tying this thread at two finger gap each. As you can see, with the two finger gap I am tying this thread. Do keep in mind that the thread should be as tight as possible to prevent the color flowing in that area, so it should be as tight as possible. Then after like 5-6 rounds I am tying a knot over here. Now less than a half is done, and it is more than a half is done, and this I have completed. And here I have used different color thread, but that doesn't matter. We just have to tie a thick thread as tight as possible to prevent the color. Now it's time to dye the thread. Now in 2 glass of water I have added 2 spoons of salt, and this is the pink color which I'll be adding. So here I added 2 spoons of this pink color, and I have used this cooker. You can use any utensil you want. Mind that it should not be used for cooking. It should be like not in use. And now here I have dipped my cloth in the color, and this I have dyed it, and with in the running water I have also washed it to wash out the extra color. And here now I have untied it a bit. You can cut the threads directly. Now I am untying these threads, and the magic will be visible to you in few minutes. The tie and dye is actually very surprising way to dye the cloth, as you don't know how the outcome will come. The results will not be exactly the same, but it will be almost same. And here I have used this organza cloth. If you are dyeing it in a cotton, it will be like more bright and more nice color will be visible. And likewise in different cloths different patterns of colors will be visible. Now this is the result. It was so beautiful, you guys. It's extremely mind blowing. The outcome was fantastic, as you can see. Bye bye, please subscribe.